Hello everyone, this is Sobia, Faculty of EVS in Tal Padmavati International School. Today we are going to discuss a topic of Class 3, Chapter 5, Chotu's House. So in this chapter, we are going to learn a story of a small boy who left his village and came to Mumbai for earning money for the first time. So what is the name of a boy which we are going to learn here is Chotu. So before going to the story of Chotu, why do we need a house for living? Is it necessary to stay in a house? Yes, all living things which are present on this earth need a shelter. So why do we need a shelter? And why do we need a safety? And that place where we live safely is called as what? Our home. According to our requirement, we are going to construct our house and we are going to stay in that house safely as we can protect ourselves. So next it comes for, why do we need a house? Yes, we need a house for shelter and lead our lives safely. So as if we feel protected in our houses, and not only that, we get protected from rain and sun, dust, wind. So these all are the things we can protect ourselves from our surroundings. So the place where we live is called as what? So it is called as our home. We all live in a house, so we do have different type of houses, so everyone will live in the house. So the house in which our family lives is called as what? Home. So now everyone has their home. Yes, so with whom you are going to stay in that home? So you are going to stay with your parents, so and brothers, sisters, grandparents. So these are all the members with whom you are going to stay in a house. Every house has different rooms, so for different purposes we use these rooms. So what are those rooms? So we'll be calling as drawing room, living room, study room, bedroom, kitchen, dining room, bathroom. So we do have different rooms for different purposes of work. So here, what is the use of a drawing room? So the room where your guests are welcome, so that room is called as what? Drawing room. And what do you mean by living room here? So the place where all family members sit together and share their feelings and watch television, have fun together. So that room is called as what here? Living room. And next it comes for study room. So the room where you study, so that room is called as what? Study room. And next it comes for bedroom, a room where we take rest and sleep at night. So that room we are calling it to be as bedroom. Next it comes for kitchen. So what we do in kitchen here? Yes, we cook food in the kitchen. So not only that, dining room children here. So we eat our meals, lunch and dinner in this room. So the room where you do have a dining table, that is called as a dining room. And next it comes for a bathroom, the place where we take a bath. And next it comes for the foremost important thing. So why do we need a house and how it protects us? So it protects us from wind, it protects us from rainfall, and it protects us from enemies, and it protects us from heat, cold and thieves. So that is why a house is needed for us to stay safely. Now let us go to our topic. Are you able to see the picture here? So this boy is Chotu who came to Mumbai for the first time. Now what you need to do is you need to build a story, so by just seeing the pictures. So are you able to see the picture over here? The first picture is a boy Chotu who is just in the city Mumbai. Next it is raining and he's taking rest in a pipe, and next in that pipe he made that as a house where he's having a water storage container, and he's cooking, and he washed his clothes and made them dried. And one day he saw his friend of his village, and both of them has enjoyed staying in that pipe. So let us go with the story in brief. So you need to build a story on that, and you need to explain it. So we'll go it clearly what was the story about. So what happened in the story? Just rewind the story. A boy named Chotu, who came from his village to Mumbai city, and when he reached the city, it was raining heavily. And next, when it was raining heavily, what happened? So he has seen a pipe near that area, so he just went inside to the pipe and sat inside to that. So after sitting in that, what happened? So as if he got up in the morning, it was very bad. The condition of the pipe was very bad. Like he was able to see the mouse, all the dust and everything. So what did he do? He just after getting up, he has cleaned the pipe as well as nearby surroundings. So are you able to see in the picture? He has cleaned the outside of the pipe and even inside of the pipe. He just cleaned the overall pipe. So why did he clean it? To make that pipe as his home. So he cleaned the overall pipe. Not only that, when he got up, he was feeling hungry, so he collected few sticks and he started cooking in that area. Not only cooking, he started washing his clothes, and he was resting in the pipe with a luxurious life. So he was very happy staying in the pipe. So he was able to wash the clothes, he was able to cook, and he was able to stay in that pipe, completely feeling that the pipe is his home. Now are you able to relate the pictures which you have seen before? So as if I have already said you, there was a container which he used to store the water for. He was washing the clothes and he was cooking, and he was having a carpet even to lie down in the pipe. So he was just having all the ways, like he was having a bathroom and he was having a kitchen room here. So and he was having a washing clothes area this way, and he was drying the clothes, and this was the area where he used to sleep and which he can call as bedroom. So this was a house of Chotu. So as if I have already said you that when he saw a friend of him when from his village, so he called him and they had a small party with them. He was very happily leading his life by staying in that pipe and having all the comforts. Here, children, how is Chotu's house? Do you like the Chotu's house? Yes, maybe you would like that house. Do you like staying in this house? So if you are not having any house, if you are having a pipe like Chotu, will you be able to adjust and stay in that house, and will you like to stay in that? In which house you stay? So like if it is a building or a kacha house or a pakka house, is it a story building, or else if it is an apartment, in which type of house you stay? How many members will stay in your house? That is, how many family members will stay along with you? Now it comes for, so children, here some animals also live with us in our houses. So these animals live with our houses like cat, dog, like rabbit. So these are pet animals which we like to keep in our houses. Not only that, there are some other animals which live in our house without invitation. That is, we don't call them, but then too they stay in our house uninvited. So what are those? We are going to learn. So here, are you able to see the picture? A boy is sitting here. So what did the mother of this boy said is, this house belongs to you, and boy as well as the parents of this child are going to stay in the house. So what happened in that situation, we are going to see. Home, sweet home. You always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. So as in sense, parents and this boy. But how do I believe that, mother, when I know it belongs to many more? So he's saying that you said to me that this house belongs to me, but whereas this house does not belongs to me alone, there are some other animals who stay with us in our house. So what did he say? Look, mother, how these mice are all playing catch together. So are you able to see the picture over here? So the mice are there where they are just playing around in the house. Children, do you have mice, mouse in your houses? Yes. We don't invite these animals, but then too they stay in our houses. And not only that, what he is saying, let us go again, and how these mosquitoes fly. So are you able to see the mosquitoes here? So we don't invite any mosquito, and we don't like mosquitoes staying in our houses, but then too uninvited mosquitoes also stay in our house. And how peaceful lies the happy spider. Even the spider also we don't invite it, so it is going to stay in our house uninvited. So that is the reason the boy is saying that, mother, you said this, that this house belongs to you as well as me, but whereas here are some other animals which stay in our house along with us. Next, here are some other things. And look, mother, at the lazy lizard, how slowly it crawls to and fro. So not only that, we do have lizards in our houses. Yes, so those are also going to be uninvited. And look at so many black ants all marching in a row. So are you able to see here? So all the ants are marching in a row. And look outside in the courtyard, the birds are all pecking about. So just like why my sister and I sometimes fight, quarrel and shout. So like what he's saying you is, you are able to see the birds outside to the window, and these are pecking against each other, like how me and my sister are going to quarrel, fight and shout. In the same way, the birds are also going to peck outside of the house. That is why I say, dear mother, don't think this house is only ours. It's dear to us and all who live here. Been living for many years. Next it comes for use of toilet. It's a conversation between Simmi and Billu. So what happened? Let us find out. So Simmi noticed that her friend Billu was getting uncomfortable. He was not talking to her. So here are you able to see two friends. So what is the name of a girl is Simmi and the name of a boy is Billu. So these two are best friends. So Simmi noticed that Billu was not speaking with her and he was feeling uncomfortable. So what happened? Simmi said, what did she say? Billu, what happened? You look so dull. So what is the reason that you are looking so dull today? So what did Billu reply? I don't know how to use the toilet properly. So and not only that, Hira ma'am is going to make rounds, and when she make a round, when she has seen that I am just making the bathroom ugly, she would scold me as usual for not using the toilet properly. He said this all to Simmi. So what did Simmi say? Why does not you use the toilet properly then? So what is the problem? Why can't you use the toilet properly? So Billu said, I'm scared I would fall in the toilet pit. So he is saying that I am scared that I may fall in the toilet pit. That is the reason I don't like to use the toilets. Simmi, how stupid. And now I know it, you and many of our friends like you who make our toilets so dirty but not using the toilets properly. Don't be scared, be responsible. So stupid, and you because you and the other friends also who don't use the toilets properly, so they make the toilets dirty. So she said that don't be scared, be responsible and just use the toilet properly. So here are few instructions to you how you have to use a toilet. So in a school, it may be in a house and anywhere. So you should be responsible and use the toilet by sitting properly. And not only that, children, always flush it. So when you use a washroom, you need to flush it with water after use, and you need to wash yourself properly. And not only that, you need to wash your hands thoroughly. What you need to do, leave the toilet as clean as you want it for yourself. When you want to enter into the toilet, you don't like it to be dirty with a bad smell. You like it to be like it should be neat. In the same way, the other peoples will be expecting. So what you need to do, you need to use the toilets properly, and you need to keep the toilets clean. Last, it comes for decorating your houses. Children, do you decorate your houses? So every occasion we are gonna decorate our houses, like if it is festival or marriages, we are going to decorate our houses. So you need to give me and reply that how would you like to decorate your houses, and how will you decorate your houses, what are your thoughts and views, and just let me know. So how do you like to decorate your house?